So we paid $1.8 million for this house, and we're expecting to spend about $250,000 on the remodel.
So is that kind of low for a $1.8 million house?
You know, it really depends because we haven't seen the house, but here's what I do know. It doesn't have roof issues, it doesn't have foundation issues, and it's not a huge house. So really, it should be cosmetic. So I think $250 is a great budget.
Yeah, this is such a great neighborhood. It's such a family neighborhood. It's super desirable. Like so many great restaurants, like so many great vegan spots. Like it's like epic.
We don't eat vegan food.
We do though.
Yeah, you do.
And our baby does too, so.
Look at these big old hedges right here.
I feel like it's a lot of privacy, right?
Oh, the neighbor's for sale.
Ooh, coming soon? Can we buy it?
It's not listed yet. We should try to buy this thing if we already own this house. I'm gonna send that to Adam. I mean, it would be awesome if we get this house before it hits the market.
Ooh, if we could remodel both at the same time.
Yeah, so they can work in both houses at the same time. They paint this house, they paint that house. They do this floor, they do that floor. They do
like
this kitchen,
same day, like get things done?
Yeah, just always going. Let me get the address.
It's cute.
So back to our little house here.
This is cute, but it's kind of like Hansel and Gretel. What can we do to kind of make it a little bit more modern? Maybe like a farmhouse modern?
Yeah, it's just
and this railing's gotta go, babe.
Maybe. I mean, it's a little bit older, but I kind of like it, actually. Am I gonna remember the code for once? Hold on. Genius.
Yeah.
Say it, genius.
I love that you say genius, even though you know the code. You're not a
that's why I'm a genius, because I know the code. Dun, dun, dun. Welcome.
Ooh.
Bing, bang.
How is it?
Cool. I love the house.
Wow. It's not like an awful condition. It's just older, but cute. No. I just love all the trees. It's so pretty, look.
It is pretty.
But not a really big living room area. It's super closed off. I feel like we need to open up to the kitchen. Like, look how boxy.
We can't knock this wall down. It's holding the load for both stories. Yeah, this is just really close.
Very close.
So let's start this way.
Okay.
So fireplace, I think we can do a really neat fireplace here.
Build the fireplace up so it elongates it, makes it look bigger.
I feel like this whole back wall should be an accent wall.
Oh, I love the accent wall idea. So what's back here?
So this is a bathroom.
Oh, this is nice.
All right.
Really old school tile.
So it's big enough, we can do full-size shower, double vanity toilet. So to make this bathroom real nice, probably
15, 20.
I would say for me, it's probably 10 to 12. For you, it's probably 15 to 20.
So kids' bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is a cute size too. Kitchen? It's really boxy, huh?
It's because of this wall right here. That's the problem.
We can't remove that.
You know something we could do? So, okay, we can't remove this wall, but this wall we can remove, yeah.
Oh my God, I thought the kitchen like extended. It doesn't. Oof, gosh. We can do like a long back counter and then this whole thing could be kitchen. We open this whole thing up.
Yeah. So we remove this wall right here and then from that threshold there, all the way to there.
That's kitchen.
This whole space would be kitchen.
It'll feel a lot bigger.
Hey, I wonder if this is a non-load bearing wall because we have a pocket door.
What does that mean?
A lot cheaper to remove, not structural.
Good news.
Okay.
Okay, it's cute.
This kitchen's, oh, look at this, it's original. Okay.
I like it. So please tell me this is like a nice primary space. What do we got?
A basement.
A basement?
Kind of a basement, right?
What the heck is this? Wait, is this supposed to be the fourth bedroom? Yes.
No, maybe back there might be the bedroom. This looks like a, wait, no, that's a bathroom. Hold on, let's look.
Holy moly.
Look how big this bathroom is. Wait, hold on. It keeps going.
Wow, this is a big bathroom.
No, look at this. I'm just kidding.
What is this? Is this an add-on?
I think this is, I think we just found the primary.
This is the primary?
The dungeon.
No, that's the primary.
No, this is the bedroom.
This is not a bedroom.
Oh, it's a bedroom.
It's far from the kids. It's very dark and dingy. There's multiple rooms. It's not good.
It doesn't feel like a primary, but I think with the extra space from the closet and the bathroom, we could really open it up and make something really nice.
Agree.
So we can bring the bedroom out maybe over to here somewhere, and then we can build a whole new bathroom area here.
So leave this as is?
Yeah.
And just make this whole side over here primary?
New bedroom, new bathroom, walk-in closet.
But then what's this gonna be?
So this will be like a downstairs family room. Upstairs, this house has 3 good-sized bedrooms, a living room, and to create more space in the kitchen, we're gonna open up the wall. Once we reconfigure the lower level, we're going to have a great primary bedroom and a really nice family room. I like the ceilings. I don't like how this pops out, though. Oh, this is freestanding. So all this is gonna go. So actually, this room's supposed to be a rectangle. So all this would be gone. So this is actually a good-sized family room.
Yeah. Who's working on this house, Jeff or
Jeff.
Izzy? Okay,
Jeff.
so we should start going over plans with him.
Oh yeah, we have some work to do.
I want to see the backyard.
Let's do it. Dun, dun, dun.
Cool. Oh, this is so pretty. I love all the trees, honey.
So we'd have to redo the grass, clean up the landscaping.
It's such a zen, peaceful area.
It is.
And then we didn't walk out on that patio. That's cute. Could we do like a different railing? Maybe like match it to the front or something? Yeah.
Yeah, we can match it. What's this?
What in the? Please tell me it's something cool.
Laundry.
Yes, we have the laundry room. Yeah, we
do.
forgot about the laundry.
I forgot about the laundry room.
This is a great size, babe.
It's completely detached from the entire house, though. You know what we can do? Eliminate this door right here. New door right here. Now it's part of the downstairs.
I like it.
So you have primary bedroom, living room, laundry room.
Great idea.
You like it?
Great idea, babe.
All right.
I like it. I like this house a lot. It's so cute.
We spent nearly $2 million on this family home in a really popular part of Los Angeles, so we've really got to step up the design. First off, we've got to do something about this boxy kitchen, so we're knocking down the wall in the dining room to open it up. Downstairs, we're changing the layout to create one giant living space, converting this funky bedroom and bathroom into a true primary suite with a big walk-in closet. Finally, in the family room, we're adding a door to access the laundry, and we're removing those ugly cabinets to make a larger, more functional play space that leads to a newly landscaped yard. What did we say the resale on this was? 2.4?
I think we could get 245.
We're gonna have to crush the design here.
We will.
Heather and I came up with a budget of $270,000 to fully transform this house. We estimate that the rehab is gonna take about 25 weeks. And with holding and selling costs, we are all in at $2,248,000. If we can sell for $2,450,000, that's a profit of about $200,000.
Check out everything. Get all the intel.
I will. Hey guys, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Is the owner in by any chance?
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going? I'm your neighbor 2 doors down. I'm Tarek.
Hey, I'm Jeremy. How you doing?
Jeremy, nice to meet
Hey,
you.
nice to meet you too.
Is this your house or are you an investor?
Yeah, no, I'm an investor.
Oh, you're an investor. You're flipping the house.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. So I'm doing the same thing 2 doors down.
Okay,
You
cool.
might be a little bit ahead of me, actually.
I hope so.
You guys are fine. Yeah, that's what I was saying. As long as we don't come on the market at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you mind if we take a look around?
Yeah,
real quick?
take a look, yeah.
So it's actually similar to the place that we bought, except you've completely opened up the floor plan. You took out a wall here, I see.
Yeah, this was supposed to be our cosmetic remodel, so.
Yeah, cosmetic remodel.
It turned into this.
And how many bedrooms is the house?
So it'll be 4 bedrooms. So this one we have as a bedroom. They'll probably use it as an office or something like that. And then you got a couple more in here.
Man, so you took this thing down to the studs.
Oh yeah, all the way down.
It's definitely nicer than the house we're doing.
Yeah.
Question, are you putting in bifold doors back there or normal slider?
Yeah, bifold.
Bifold.
Yeah.
So I'm spending, I think, about $275,000 on my project. What range are you in?
I think it'll be about 400.
Oh, so you're going even more high end then, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we did this here. You see, we opened up the beam. We put a big 22-footer here.
Yep.
Open this bifold up, and then downstairs we have 2 more big bifolds also. So we just opened up everything. Actually, my wife has her contractor's license.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Yeah, so she, manages a lot of the workers and does a lot of that, and you know how it goes. I mean, we fight over all the design ideas, and the closer we come to breaking up, the nicer the house is gonna come out.
I like that. I've been there. Oh, you got a pool too, huh?
Yeah.
So you have a pool down there, you're gonna have a patio up here. Man.
Yeah, and then we'll have like glass railings around.
What are you hoping to sell the house for?
I was gonna ask you that.
Yeah, you'd ask me that. Man, when we bought it, we were hoping to sell it for like 2.4.
Yeah.
With the market doing what it's doing, I don't know where the comps are landing right now.
I mean, it's a higher end home, so it doesn't get hit as hard with the interest rate because they have more money, more cash and everything. But yeah, we were somewhere, I think around that same price per square foot. Like conservatively, we were like 2.6, 2.8, and then hopefully on the high end, maybe like 3 million.
Yeah, I was gonna say, on the high, I could see this going at 3. On the low, I'd say, yeah, probably 2.6. Man, if he comes in at 2.6, that's a big problem for us, because walking the space, he did a great job, opened up the floor plan. So I hope he asks like $1 million more than we're asking for our flip. So it's your project and you're the general contractor on it. So what's costing you 400 would probably cost me 600.
Well, might be.
Yeah, probably.
Might be.
Man, yeah, your yard's bigger than ours, your house is bigger than ours. You got a big primary bedroom.
Right.
And that
This
bathroom's
primary,
huge.
Yeah.
Is it 2 showers? What do you got going in there?
We're actually gonna put a sauna in that corner.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, we hadn't done that before, so we'll put a sauna in there, big primary shower in there, and then, you know, standalone tub, water closet, and then big double vanity over here.
Yeah, I gotta finish my house pretty quick here.
Oh, it's cute, honey. It looks clean. Don't forget bugs.
No, I got it. Buggy, the house flipping dog. So,
I love it.
made it a long way.
I think it looks really good. It looks clean.
It does look
And
clean.
taking off all those Hansel and Gretel details made it look a lot better.
Yep. Look at the new picture window in the front.
Way better. Way better.
Oh, look at, you can see the staging.
I don't want to see yet, honey.
Okay, don't look, don't look. Da, da, da. How's it going?
Hi, guys. Come on in.
How are you? Looks
Doing
so
well.
cute.
Okay, what do you think? First impression.
Love it. Hi.
Hey, Dina, how's it going?
Good.
So what do you think of the house?
I love it. This was a showstopper. As soon as you walk through the door, it's jaw-dropping.
My idea.
Oh, of course. Sorry,
Wait,
Tarek.
hold on, what was your idea? This is my idea.
Sorry, Tarek.
I feel like this whole back wall should be an accent wall.
Oh, I love the accent wall idea.
Like, I get nothing, no love.
Your idea was the dog thing down there, remember?
Yeah, but this panel wall was my idea too.
Well, the staging reflects both of you guys.
Thank you so much for doing this
Of
house.
course. You want to take a look at the kitchen?
Wait till you take the corner right now.
Oh, it's so open. Wow.
How awesome does that look? Watch,
Oh my
look at the hood
God.
vent.
Oh my gosh. It's so much better than I even thought it was gonna be.
I told you.
It's so much more opened up.
Hey, Dina, what do you think about the two-tone cabinet?
I love the two-tone. It's not too masculine, and you have the softness with the flooring, and it looks amazing.
Oh, honey, I'm
We
so
love
happy.
staging it, so
Thank you.
for
Thanks so much.
Yeah,
guys.
absolutely. The house looks great.
Oh, I love this.
All right, have a good drive safe with all that rain.
Thank you.
So
You
good.
see all like the tiny
so
little
good.
marble backsplash?
I love it. It's subtle, it's so pretty, everything's tightened so well. I love the two-tone, honey. I'm obsessed.
Gorgeous, right? What do you think about the dining area?
Perfect.
You see the yard?
And the railing, I love it.
Wow, the yard looks so much better.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Okay, I want to show you around. I'm so excited. Oh, sharks!
Braden's
This is
room.
Bray's room.
Yep, Braden's
Oh,
room.
this is cute.
What, did he love it?
Oh my God, if I was a little boy and I came in here with a desk, a beach chair, shark
Oh,
bed.
this is my room. I
I'd
like
be
this
excited.
room. More than likely, the parents are gonna buy this house over another house that doesn't have a theme like this.
100%.
So,
Okay,
all right,
let's look at
next
the other
room,
one.
bedroom, then bathroom. Come on, baby. Oh, it's cute.
This is a pink room. Look at this.
Do you see the little theme? It was supposed to be pugs, but it's actually French bulldog.
Close enough.
Okay, bathroom. I'm excited about this. Remember that ugly tub? This was ugly colors, really closed off. All right. Oh, it's so cute. Oh,
You like that vanity?
I love it.
Okay, so look at the tile.
Oh, that's pretty.
These are angled and those are straight.
I love this.
You know, I've been flipping houses a long time, but this is the stuff I never really used to do, like paying attention to the detailed vanities or paying attention to the custom mirrors.
Buyers walk in and they see that we added those elements. Instead of them having to do it, it's already done now. Very cute.
Okay, downstairs.
Very cute. I'm excited for the downstairs. I'm loving the railing we chose too. I love the glass. It feels more open,
Yeah.
right?
All right, Buggy, we're about to find out where you did a dinky. Buggy, did you go down there?
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see this room. Oh, it's cute.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Buggy! Buggy!
We found it. I think it might have just been like a little extra pebble she didn't get up.
You.
Oh!
But look at it, we have a nice downstairs bonus room. This gets attached to the primary bedroom and bathroom, so it's like your own living space.
Or it could be like a little playroom area so the kids could go in and out and play.
Yeah.
So this is just kind of a little extra bonus space, way better. Ready? Primary. So this is our primary suite area now.
Yeah, and remember, we reconfigured everything.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Take it in, so that's walk-in closet.
God, this is fabulous.
Mm-hmm.
So the bathroom,
Remember how dark it was in here?
Yes.
It was like a cave.
Oh, it's really pretty, honey.
You see the black tile?
I love the black accent.
And look at this. You see this? Look at the size of this marble edge.
I love it. Ooh,
like
it's that thick that we like.
Yeah, like 4 or 5 inch drop. And then I
Yeah.
love how we carried the backsplash
Oh,
into
yeah.
the shower.
I love this.
We changed up the design, so we did a straight stack here, we did angled there.
Really pretty. Such a big shower.
Watch, look how big the bench is.
Wow. I like the shower. It's like spa day.
Yeah.
It's very calming. This house is very, very serene.
Yeah.
Huh.
Does it feel like a primary suite?
Absolutely. I feel like bathrooms and kitchens sell a house, and this is gorgeous.
Okay.
Come on, Lovey. Dog room.
Come on.
Buzz, this is your room. And
When you're
go.
misbehaved,
Oh, it's so cute.
that is cute. Oh, that is cute. All right, put her in. See if she likes it. All right.
Okay.
She's like, what's going on? This is cute though, right? It's a good idea.
So laundry's gonna go here.
This
and then
house-
we have our little dog area.
Yeah, this house checks all the boxes for a family. We have a doggy bath, we got a girl's room, a boy's room, a playset.
So cute. It's a perfect family house.
All right, well.
We talk numbers?
Yeah, we gotta talk numbers. We gotta come up with a list price. I think the house came out fantastic.
It's really, really cute. It's so pretty. Just walking up right now, I love the glass railing, being able to look through the fireplace.
I like the real wood in the fireplace.
Me too.
Cute touch. Okay, so let's talk about the numbers on the house. There are no comps. Like, there's literally nothing similar that's sold, and there's nothing for sale.
What about the house down the street?
When I talked to the flipper, he said he's thinking about coming on the market at $3 million.
Okay.
But the house is about 300 square foot larger, has a pool, it does have a nicer floor plan.
What did we buy this for originally?
Okay, so we paid $1,828,000 for the house.
Okay.
The rehab budget with change orders came to right about $280,000. Holding costs, it's about $83,000. We're looking at about $80,000 in closing costs and commission. So our break even is gonna be $2,271,000.
Oh, wow.
Because Cheviot Hills is sought after by young families, we've had a ton of interest.
I really like this accent wall.
And thankfully, with our upgrades,
Oh!
and given that the house down the street is still under construction, we are sure that this one is gonna be off the market soon.